Hi, I'm Dr. James Bart, Devine Chiropractic Rehab. I'm commonly asked as a chiropractor, what do I treat? And I have to say, everyone thinks it's just back. Pop and crack in the back. That's very little of what we do. If you have a health problem, I can improve upon it. If you have an earache, I can help. If you have a toe ache, I can help. If you have a bunion, there's something we can do to improve upon it. I believe that the body is a self-healing organism. I also believe that the nervous system is a master component in that system. I also believe that movement is a function of that nervous system. So what we do here, when we check you, we check for that function of the nervous system. So it's our goal here at Devine Chiropractic to get you moving better, get you feeling better, and get you to rely on your body again. For more information, go to downtownseattlechiropractic.com.